What is the brain science behind second-generation schizophrenia drugs? Imagine your brain as a busy city with countless communication lines. When someone has schizophrenia, some of these lines send signals that are too loud or too quiet, causing different symptoms. Second-generation antipsychotics, also called atypical antipsychotics, work by adjusting these signals to bring balance back to the city. They mainly target two key messengers in the brain, dopamine and serotonin. These drugs block specific receptors on neurons called dopamine D2 receptors and serotonin 5-HT2A receptors. By doing this, they change how signals are sent and received, helping to reduce symptoms of psychosis. Unlike older drugs that mainly blocked dopamine, second-generation drugs focus more on serotonin receptors too. This helps balance dopamine activity across different parts of the brain. Excess dopamine in certain areas causes positive symptoms like hallucinations and delusions. These drugs block dopamine D2 receptors in those areas to calm down overactivity. But they also block serotonin 5-HT2A receptors in other parts of the brain. This blocking action boosts dopamine releases in regions linked to negative symptoms like social withdrawal and lack of motivation. Some second-generation drugs can act as partial agonists at dopamine D2 receptors. That means they can both block excessive dopamine and stimulate dopamine when levels are low. This fine-tuning helps improve both positive and negative symptoms. Blocking serotonin 5-HT2A receptors also reduces serotonin's inhibitory effect on dopamine neurons. This leads to a more balanced dopamine releases across different brain circuits. Because of this, second-generation antipsychotics tend to cause fewer movement problems, known as extrapyramidal symptoms, compared to older drugs. However, they can increase the risk of metabolic side effects like weight gain, high blood sugar, and cholesterol issues. So, the science behind these drugs involves a careful balancing act. They block dopamine to reduce hallucinations and delusions, while also using serotonin receptor effects to improve mood, motivation, and thinking. This dual approach helps manage a wider range of symptoms with fewer neurological side effects. Still, managing side effects like weight gain remains a challenge. Overall, second-generation antipsychotics are designed to target multiple brain pathways, making treatment more effective for many people living with schizophrenia.